What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to apply for Sun Bucks EBT card. So if you're looking for a way to apply for a Sun's Bucks EBT card here, well, there are a few things that you need to take note here. Now, depending on where you are or where you are currently living at or what state you are, the process for applying for a Sun's Bucks EBT card depends on that specific state. So what you need to do first is you want to open up a browser here. Just type in Sun Bucks on Google here, and you want to open up the first link here, which is Sun Bucks or Summer EBT. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go and scroll down a bit here and just view a bunch of information. So in here, it answers the questions how do you apply for Sun Bucks here. Now the thing to this one is many children will get Sun Bucks automatically if their household receives other income-based benefits like SNAP or TANF. So, but some will need to apply here. So how do you start applying? Well, what you need to do is you want to go to the map here, as you can see right now, and just access the state for that one. And let's go and choose the website. Let's go and click on the link for that website. And it should redirect you to the website specifically on your state. Now, in here, you want to go ahead and basically scroll down a bit here. Let's go and look for the option here that says, how do children get enrolled in Sun Bucks? So you want to open that up. And you should see a link here for applications. Like if a child's household did not receive a letter from DCF on the following dates here regarding Sun Bucks eligibility, they can apply through the DCF self-service portal here, which again, you could just create your account by clicking on the link that is available in there. Now from here, what we need to do is let's go and just choose the apply for benefits option here. Now, if you click on apply for assistance, it should redirect you to the login page. So we need to log in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you can go and choose the option here that says click here to create a username. Now, what you need to do is you just need to follow the on-screen steps here. Again, you may need to provide additional information about your application here. So just provide all the information. And once you click on save and continue, it should redirect you to the application page for your Sun Bucks EBT card. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.